In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure HubSpot Invoices. Whether you're setting up your invoicing for the first time or fine-tuning it to better suit your business needs, this step-by-step guide will take you through the entire process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a customized professional invoice system ready to enhance your client billing experience. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your HubSpot account. This is essential because access to your account is required to configure your invoices. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description below to create one and get started. Once you're logged in, head over to the settings icon in the main navigation bar. The settings area is where all the administrative functions, including configuring invoices, are housed. Clicking here will take you to the heart of your account's customization options. Now, look toward the left sidebar within the settings menu. This panel organizes all the tools and features available for configuration. From this sidebar, locate the section labeled Objects and click on it. Within Objects, you'll see an option for Invoices. Go ahead and select it. This is where all invoice-related settings are managed, making it the main hub for everything you'll need in this tutorial. Next up, click on the Customization tab. This is a powerful feature that allows you to tailor invoices to your specific business requirements, whether it's ensuring your branding stands out or making sure your invoices include the right details for your clients. This tab is your go-to place for adjustments. From here, you'll have two options. You can either create new presets or edit existing ones. Creating a new preset is great if you want to start from scratch and design templates that reflect your unique business style. Alternatively, if you already have templates in place, you can modify them to better align with your current operational needs. Take a moment to decide which option works best for you. If you're unsure, you can always experiment with creating a new preset and compare it with your existing templates. Once you've made your adjustments, use the Preview tab to see how your invoice will look with the current settings. This step is crucial because it lets you confirm that the design, layout, and details are exactly how you want them before you finalize anything. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can go back and make further tweaks until everything is perfect. Now, it's time to set up your default payment terms and due dates. Establishing these terms ensures consistency across all your invoices and helps prevent any misunderstandings with your clients. For instance, you might set payment terms to be due within 30 days, or you could adjust them to match your industry standards or client agreements. Whatever you choose, this step is key to keeping your billing process clear and professional. Next, consider adding custom fields to your invoice template. Custom fields allow you to include specific information that's relevant to your business. This could be anything from additional notes to personalized messages for your clients. For example, you might want to thank clients for their business or include a reminder about upcoming services. These little touches can go a long way in building stronger client relationships. Finally, let's configure how line items are displayed on your invoices. This includes options for discounts, taxes, and future payments. Carefully setting up these details ensures that all transaction information is clearly communicated to your clients. For example, if you offer discounts, you'll want this to be displayed transparently on the invoice so clients can see the value you're providing. Similarly, specifying taxes and payment terms helps streamline the payment process and avoids confusion down the line. And that's it. You've now learned how to configure and customize your invoices in HubSpot. From accessing your account to tailoring templates, previewing designs, and setting up payment terms, you're now equipped to create professional invoices that suit your business needs perfectly. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.